Hello everyone, मैं BL Sharma Maths discussing section A of the sample paper of standard mathematics, class 10th mathematics, and this is in continuation. This is question number 8. We already have done question up to question number 7 in our previous video, and the question number 8 is on your screen. A pair of dice is tossed. Pair of dice means का मतलब दो dice हैं. The probability of not getting the sum 8 is. What is the probability of it? See. पहले हम इसका एक सैंपल स्पेस बनाते हैं. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and write this side 1 2 3 4 5 6 on. We know this is sample space and total outcomes means total possible outcomes in sample space, that is 36. 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 6 जा 36. अब पहले हम उन नंबर्स को निकाल लेते हैं जिनका सम 8 आता हो. देखिएगा कौन कौन से 8 आएगा. 6 + 2 8, 5 + 3 8, 4 + 4 8, 3 + 5 8, and 6 + 2 8. टोटल है out of 36 5 1 2 3 4 5. So we can write here that probability of getting some 8 that is 5 upon 36. Probability of not getting some 8 is equal to 31 upon 36. Right? Total 36 में 5 कम करिए. So we can say that B is the correct option. Because here it is not getting the sum 8. Two sine 5x is equal to √3, where x is an acute angle, then what is the value of x? See. Sine 5x, we can write √3/2. And in sine, the √3/2 is equal to sine 60. So 5x is equal to 60. X is equal to 60/5. So x is equal to 12 degree. So B is the correct answer. The sum of two numbers is 1215 and their SCF is 81. Then the possible pair of such numbers are. यहाँ पे ये बहुत ही concept based question है, बहुत simple question है. SCF is the highest common factor, means 81 तो smallest number होगा. जो भी number होंगे वो SCF के multiple की form में होते हैं. So that let the two numbers be 81x and 81y. It is given that their sum should be 1215, so you can write 81x plus 81y, that is 1215. Taking 81 common, we can write x plus y is equal to 15. ऐसे दो नंबर बताओ जिनका नेचुरल नंबर बताइए जिनका सम 15 आ जाए. तो हम हिट एंड ट्रायल मेथड से देखो इसको करेंगे. 1 and 14, 2 and 13, 4 and 11, 7 and 8. ये चार नंबर ऐसे हैं जिनका सम मींस आएगा 15. So count करिए 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the answer? Four is the correct answer. The area of the base of a right circular cone is given 51 centimeter square and its volume is 85 centimeter cube. It is sorry, it is cube. Then the height of the cone is given by, say, this is a cone. Area of base is of a cone is pi r square. So pi r square is given 51 centimeter square. And we know volume of cone is given by 1 by 3 into pi r square into h. In place of pi r square, you can write 51. And in place of the volume, you can write 85. So you can write here pi r square is 51 and volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume is given 85. So 85 is equal to 1 by 3. In place of pi r square, you put 51 and you have to calculate h. Now calculate h. So h is equal to 85 upon 17. That is 5 centimeter. So D is the correct answer. Very good question. Very conceptual question. If zeros of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0, c is also not equal to 0, are equal, then which of the following is correct? B square minus 4ac is equal to 0 is the condition of equal roots. So B square should be equal to 4ac. यहां पे बहुत कंसेप्ट की बात है कि b is any real number and the square of a real number is never negative. Means b square is either 0 or positive. किसी भी रियल नंबर का स्क्वायर नेगेटिव नहीं होता है. बी एक रियल नंबर है, इसलिए बी स्क्वायर या तो जीरो होगा या जीरो से बड़ा होगा. द स्क्वायर ऑफ अ रियल नंबर इज नेवर नेगेटिव. इट मींस द नंबर कैन द स्क्वायर ऑफ अ नंबर can be the 0 or greater than 0. So we can say b square is either 0 or greater than 0. So it means 4 square, 4ac is equal to also either 0 or greater than 0. द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ ए एंड सी एंड 4 दैट इज ग्रेटर देन 0. देखिए 4 पहले से ही ग्रेटर देन 0 है. इट मींस द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ ए एंड सी शुड बी आइदर 0 और ग्रेटर देन 0. बहुत ही कॉन्सेप्ट रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन है. इट इज ऑल्सो गिवन दैट ए इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0, सी इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0. इट मींस ए सी इज नॉट इक्वल टू, प्रोडक्ट उन दोनों का 0 हो ही नहीं सकता क्योंकि ए भी 0 नहीं है और सी भी 0 नहीं है. तो फिर प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दो नंबर्स ए और सी का क्या होगा? इट विल बी ग्रेटर देन 0. आई थिंक यू हैव गोट माई पॉइंट. वाई मैं यहां से हमने इसको इस साइन क्यों हटा दिया है 0 का? बिकॉज इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल, बिकॉज ए एंड सी बोथ आर नॉट इक्वल टू 0. ए और 0 इंटू 0 इज इक्वल टू 0. जब ये दोनों 0 है ही नहीं तो ये इक्वल टू 0 नहीं होगा. इट मीन्स द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द टू नंबर ए एंड सी विल बी ग्रेटर देन 0. अब यहां पे दो पॉसिबिलिटीज बनती है. ऐसे दो नंबर बताओ जिनका प्रोडक्ट 0 से ग्रेटर, ग्रेटर देन 0 मीन्स पॉजिटिव. So the product of the two numbers should be equal, should be a positive number. A और C जो दो नंबर है ग्रेटर देन 0 मीन्स ए पॉजिटिव नंबर. ये कब पॉसिबल है देखिएगा. पॉजिटिव इंटू पॉजिटिव दैट इज ए पॉजिटिव नंबर. नेगेटिव इंटू नेगेटिव दैट इज ऑल्सो अ पॉजिटिव नंबर. या तो ये दोनों पॉजिटिव होंगे या ये दोनों ए और सी नेगेटिव होंगे. Either both A and C will be positive or both A and C must have should be negative. मीन्स इन दोनों का साइन सेम होना चाहिए. देखिए क्या लिखा है, सी एंड ए मस्ट हैव सेम साइन. सी और ए का दोनों का साइन सेम होना चाहिए. इधर बोथ ए एंड सी विल बी पॉजिटिव और बोथ ए एंड सी विल बी नेगेटिव. सो डी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. Area of a sector of a circle of radius 21 centimeter cut off by an arc of length 22 centimeter is, we have to find out the area of the sector having the radius 21 centimeter and length of arc 22 centimeter. We know that the length of arc of a sector of a circle is given by pi r theta upon 180. And area of sector is given by pi r square theta upon 360. We further can write pi r theta upon 180 into r by 2. Pi r theta upon 180, that is equal to length of arc and r by 2. So we can write that is L r upon 2. इसको आप लिख लीजिएगा. Area of sector when length of arc and radius given, that is L into r by 2. So you can write area of sector is 1 by 2 into length of arc into r. The value of L is given 22 centimeter, R is given 21 centimeter. So put the value here 1 by 2 into 22 into 21. On further simplification, we get 231. So the answer will be 231 centimeter square. Very good question. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and the sides are given. Then what is the perimeter of triangle ABC? We know for two similar triangles, the ratio of corresponding sides is equal to the ratio of their corresponding perimeters. Please note it down. किसी भी दो सिमिलर ट्राइंगल्स में corresponding sides का रेशियो होता है वो उसके perimeter के रेशियो के भी इक्वल होता है. So AB upon DE, that will be equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF. These are two similar triangles. The ratio of corresponding sides is equal, but note it down that it will also be equal to the ratio of their corresponding medians. That is also equal to the corresponding altitudes. That is also equal to the corresponding angle bisectors. Please note it down. So AB upon D 6 upon 9, that is the perimeter of triangle ABC, and perimeter of triangle DEF is given 27. 6 plus 9 plus 12, that is 27. So perimeter of triangle ABC on calculating, we get 18 centimeter. That is answer. If the probability of the letter chosen at random from the letters of the word mathematics to be vowels is 2 upon 2x plus 1, then what is the value of x? देखिए वोवल्स ये मैथमेटिक्स में वोवल्स है ए ए ए ई ए आई. सी कैसे ए ई ए आई एंड टोटल नंबर ऑफ लेटर्स कितने 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So what is the probability? That is 4 upon 11, but it is already given that it should be equal to 2 upon 2x plus 1. ये पहले से क्वेश्चन में दे रखा है कि इस गेटिंग ऑफ वोवल्स द प्रोबेबिलिटी विल बी 2/2x+1. On cross multiplication, you can get the value of x. So the value of x will be 9/4. So D is the correct option. The points A, B, C, D with coordinates given will be square, rectangle, parallelogram or a trapezium. ए बी सी डी हम एक प्लॉट करके देखिए इनको ए बी सी डी, तो हमें लगता है कि ना तो ये इट कैन बी ए पैरेललोग्राम, इट कैन बी ए ट्रेपेजियम, बट इट इज नॉट ए स्क्वायर, नॉट ए रेक्टेंगल एंड नॉट ए रोम्बस. इज इट ट्रेपेजियम और पैरेललोग्राम? इसको देखने के लिए क्या करते हैं, द डायगोनल ऑफ अ पैरेललोग्राम बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर. So we find out the midpoint of diagonal BD, that is x2 plus x1 by 2, comma y2 plus y1 by 2. So 9 minus 9 by 2 and 0 plus 6 by 2. See, BD, 9 x1 x y1 x2 y2 से हम मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला यूज करके हमने ये मिड पॉइंट निकाला, दैट इज इक्वल टू 0, -3, सॉरी 3. Similarly, that the midpoint of diagonal AC, that is x2 plus x1 by 2, comma y2 plus y1 by 2, that is 9 minus 9 by 2 and 0 plus 6 by 2. We can write here. Midpoint formula से हम the midpoint of diagonal BD find out करेंगे using x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 plus 2. So that is 9 minus 9 by 2 and 6 minus 6 by 2. That will be 0, 0. And the midpoint of diagonal AC will be, or using the same formula, x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 plus by 2. That is 9 minus 9 by 2 and 0 plus 0 by 2. That is also 0, 0. We observe here that midpoint, the coordinate of midpoint of BD and diagonal and midpoint of diagonal AC, that is same. So we can say diagonals bisect each other. And when diagonals bisect each other, it will be a parallelogram. It will be a parallelogram. So, what is the correct answer? You can join this. So, this is a parallelogram. The median of 9 distinct observation is 20.5. If each of the observation of a set is increased by 2, the median will also be increased by 2. अगर ऐसा ही होता, मीन भी उतने नंबर से इंक्रीज हो जाता है. So what will be the answer? It increased by 2. The length of the tangent drawn to a circle of radius 9 centimeter from a point of a distance of 41 centimeter from the center of the circle will be. This is a circle, and that is tangent, that is radius 9 centimeter, and this is 41 centimeters. Since this angle is 90 degree. So in triangle OTP, we can apply Pythagoras theorem. Perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. So applying the same rule, OP square is equal to OT square plus TP square. So 41 square is equal to 9 square plus TP square. 41 square is 1681 and 9 square is 81. 1681 minus 81, that is 1600. So TP square, TP is equal to square root of 1600, that is 40 centimeters. So A is the correct option. Assertion reason question. The number 5 raised to the power n cannot end with the digit 0. It is very much correct. Is it true? And number ends with 0. Reason is if its prime factorization contains both 2 and 5. बिल्कुल ठीक बात है. कोई भी नंबर जिसके प्राइम फैक्टर 2 और 5 दोनों हो, उसका एंड चाहे कुछ भी पावर कुछ भी हो, व्हाट कैन any power, I mean, any exponent of the given number n, natural number, will end with the digit 0. So this is true. Now we see 5 here, 5 is the factors of 5 is 5 only, not 2. इसलिए ये भी बिल्कुल ठीक है. The number 5 raised to the power n cannot end with the digit 0, where n is a natural number. It means A is the correct option. Assertion cos A plus cos square A plus 1 is equal to 0, then sin square A plus sin 4A will be equal to 1, and reason is sin square A plus cos square A plus is equal to 1. ये बिल्कुल reason तो ठीक है, we know this identity. क्या ये assertion R पे बेस्ड है, रीजन पे बेस्ड है? इसको चेक करते हैं, देखिएगा. Cos A plus cos square A is equal to 1, it is given. Cos A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Further, we can write cos A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. And 1 minus cos, see here, 1 minus cos square A is equal to sin square A. So that is sin square A. Cos का वैल्यू sin square A के इक्वल है, अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस क्वेश्चन. नाउ अब हम रीजन पे चलते हैं. अब इसको वेरिफिकेशन करते हैं. LHS sin square A plus sin 4A. सही है. Sin square A is equal to cos A. Sin 4A means square of sin square A, that is cos square A. But cos A plus cos square A, that is given equal to 1. You can write that is equal to 1. So sin square A plus sin 4A, that is equal to 1. It means ये भी करेक्ट है, ये भी करेक्ट है, और ये इसका करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन है. So we can say that A is the correct option. I am taking question number 19 and 20 from basic also. So the assertion is line joining midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. And If a line divides two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then it is parallel to the third side. Which is correct option? A line joining midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the same side. Yes, because they divide in the same ratio. And when divide in the same ratio, the line will be parallel to the third side. If a line divide two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then it is parallel to the third side. That is converse of midpoint theorem. So, which of the following is correct? A is correct option.